The R2s of both teams have moved, but neither R1 has moved yet. The Blue University of Tokyo team has moved. They quickly completed the spear. They finished it in about 8 seconds. Will they show the fastest movement? First, R1 took the asymmetry and went to the arena. Next, R2 is also moving smoothly now, despite the mistake earlier. They lined them up on the lower level of the asymmetry.
The fastest R2 has entered the arena at top speed. Will they aim for the middle level first? Only 30 seconds have passed. The middle level is cleared. Now it is a reach. R1 and R2 are combining at 45 seconds. Will they secure the upper diagonal?
Aiming true, they complete the top tier placement and achieve a master clear. A victory for the blue team, the University of Tokyo.